Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Xbox is showing the UPnP not successful message while using T-Mobile internet, it can be frustrating because online gaming, party chat or multiplayer connections may stop working properly. You might notice slower matchmaking, connection problems or difficulty joining friends in games. This issue usually appears when the Xbox cannot communicate correctly with the T-Mobile router settings. Since UPnP helps the Xbox open the right network paths automatically, any interruption in the router setup can trigger this message. The big thing is that this problem is often related to network settings and can usually be fixed with a few quick adjustments. Instead of worrying about the internet being completely broken, it is better to go through some basic checks first. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix UPnP not successful on Xbox using T-Mobile internet. Try these. Step 1. Restart the Xbox and restart the T-Mobile router to refresh the Xbox network connection. Step 2. Open the T-Mobile router settings and check if UPnP is enabled for the Xbox connection. Step 3. Disconnect the Xbox from the T-Mobile network and reconnect the Xbox again. Step 4. Test the Xbox network settings from the Xbox connection menu while connected to T-Mobile internet. Step 5. Move the Xbox closer to the T-Mobile router if the Xbox is using Wi-Fi for a stronger signal. Step 6. Check the Xbox network status again and confirm the Xbox no longer shows the UPnP not successful message.